So let's jump into one of my favorite features, and that is the laser pointer. Now, there are times that you may be running an activity and you want to highlight maybe a little small detail, and the laser pointer is excellent for this. Now, you've probably seen me use it in one of the previous video clips, but let me quickly go through that again. Now, the general way is that you'll see that the laser pointer lives up here. It looks like a little arrow with a laser spark shooting off of it. You'll click on that. It'll activate the laser pointer, and then you're able to highlight elements on the canvas. Now, you can use this as part of a screen share, or when you take Mural into a presentation mode, people can see what you're highlighting. So for example, we are now in the laser pointer section of all the video clips. However, I also have to point out that for anybody currently active in the Mural, they'll be able to see this little red trail here. Now, the red trail stays on, and I have two options to switch that off. I can hit the escape button on my keyboard, or I can go back to the icon and just switch the laser pointer off. Now, I know that you are much cooler than that, and you're probably thinking, Werner, just give me the keyboard shortcut. And indeed, the laser pointer has a keyboard shortcut. If you hit the H key on your keyboard, the laser pointer activates, and I can highlight the content I want to highlight and mess around. But then once I release the H, the laser pointer goes away. And that's a really nice intuitive way if you want to be highlighting things on the fly. So that is the laser pointer, one of my favorite features in the facilitation superpowers set.